It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 7th of June. I'm James Spann. Again today, we have showers and storms around Alabama in scattered pockets. We'll see those every day for the rest of the week in this warm, muggy environment. Let's go. Here's the upper air look. And again today, we have broad troughing north and west of the state, providing some dynamic support for showers and thunderstorms around here. There's the visible satellite view, and you can see the clouds are thicker over the eastern and southeastern counties of the state. Elsewhere, we have a mixture of clouds and sunshine. That was the radar composite. Around 2:15 this afternoon, the bulk of the showers and storms again over east and southeast Alabama, basically south of a line from near Heflin down to about Bay Minette. Some of the storms there producing heavy amounts of rain. More showers and storms over Mississippi and a few scattered showers over the northern part of the state. But that's always one of the greatest challenges in summer, identifying where these pockets of thunderstorms will blow up every day, and they do almost every afternoon. Temperatures low in mid-80s, Birmingham 84, Tuscaloosa 82. West of the state, flash flood watches for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas. Also a severe thunderstorm watch in that area. We've got heat advisories for parts of the northeast United States and many of the states out west with red flag warnings because of the dry conditions there and the danger of wildfires. Severe weather a possibility for the rest of today and tonight. Severe storms from the Arklatex region up through the western high plains. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms mainly over the northern plains and Montana. A marginal risk just north and west of Alabama. And day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk over Montana. Otherwise, thunderstorms possible for the entire eastern half of the country, but no organized severe weather expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The heavier totals near and just southwest of Memphis and Alabama. The amounts around 1 inch, but as we always say in the summer, your number will vary because of the scattered nature of the storms. In the tropics, the Atlantic Basin quiet for now, but again, our friends at NHC are identifying the Southwest Caribbean as a place where development might occur later this week. A wave could be drifting towards Central America, and we're starting to see signals from global models. This is the output from the European Ensemble. This is the probabilistic output for tropical depression formation next week in the Western Gulf. Again, just something to watch for now. Inevitably, we will see some of these backyard-type systems this time of the year. We'll keep an eye on trends. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Again, troughing just north and west of the state. And again tomorrow, warm, humid, with scattered to numerous showers and storms around. It's not going to rain all day, not going to rain everywhere, but a few folks could see a heavy downpour or two. High should be in the mid-80s. This is the high-res NAM, really not showing much, and it has just not done a very good job with the convection on these summer afternoons here recently. This is Wednesday, same thing, warm, muggy, scattered showers and storms, mid-80s, and that'll be the theme on Thursday and the theme on Friday. The higher coverage, most likely over the northern two-thirds of the state with highs in the 80s. Saturday, as the weekend begins, not much change. The sun will be out at times, scattered showers and storms around. Highs upper 80s. And Sunday, again, warm, muggy, a mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, June 14th, troughing over the northeast, ridging building over the western half of the country, and that looks pretty quiet. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, June the 17th. Got a big 594 upper high sitting on top of Arizona, troughing in the northeast. We're kind of in between all of that, and that looks quiet. And again, you can see the GFS hinting at maybe some tropical mischief around the southern Gulf of Mexico, and also the European showing evidence of tropical mischief down there in the western Gulf. And again, this means really nothing at this point. We'll just simply watch for trends, but the signals are there that we might have some backyard issues in the Gulf with tropical systems next week. Just be aware of that. Probably not a major hurricane. These early season systems tend to be more big rainmakers than anything else. Speaking of rain, this is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS Ensemble between now and the 23rd of June. The mean between 2 and 3 inches. Highs mid to upper 80s, lows 65 to 70 for the next 10 days or so. And hot off the presses, this is the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for June 15th through June 21st. And if this happens to work out, temperatures here would be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.